Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Rita and Ayden. Today we are baking up something extra cozy and decadent. We're making a double chocolate pumpkin cake. This is super moist, full of warm pumpkin spices, rich cocoa, and of course loaded with chocolate chip. So if you are a pumpkin spice lover and a fan of chocolate, then this recipe is for you. So let's get baking. I just want to take a moment and let you guys know we have lots of other recipes available, especially with the holidays coming up. We're going to be cooking a lot. We have a full Thanksgiving recipe that should be uploading soon. Plus, we have stuff from last year, and of course, fall stuff that we're baking currently. So be sure to subscribe and let us know your feedback. If you happen to try our recipe, please post and tag us in them. We would love to see how yours came out. And that is it, a rich chocolatey pumpkin cake that is soft, moist, and bursting with fall flavors. This is perfect for cozy nights, holiday gathering, and just to treat yourself with a cup of coffee or tea. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with someone who may like this as well. Thank you for baking with us, and we'll see you guys on the next one.